You've learned about pushing past the 40% limit. You've discovered how to transform pain into power. You've mastered the art of building unbreakable discipline. But what if I told you there's one final piece? A secret so fundamental, so game-changing, that Navy SEALs deliberately keep it for the final phase of training.
And what if this secret explains why some people implement all the right techniques but still don't get lasting results? What if there's a master key that unlocks true, permanent transformation? The difference between knowing the path and actually walking it.
In this episode, we're revealing what separates temporary motivation from lifelong transformation. This isn't just another tactic, this is the foundation upon which all other SEAL principles stand. And once you understand it, nothing will ever be the same.
Hey, wake up, it's a brand new day. Your dreams are calling, don't fade away. Turn it up, feel the beat inside. It's your moment, it's your time to rise. We're learning, going, finding my way. Everyone knows about it, day. Fight gas and let your mind ignite. Chase your pole, just shine to ride. Step by step, come on, move and start. Every storm in it to belong. To live now, let your soul be free. This is where we're meant to be. Oh, Five Path Podcast, let's go. Energy, heart ready to go. Together we rise, yeah, don't look back. This is your Five Path track. Oh, oh, oh.
Hey Thrive Path family, I'm David, and welcome to what might be the most significant episode we've ever created.
And I'm Iman. I've got to be honest, I've been looking forward to this episode since we started this series. The insights we're sharing today, they've personally transformed how I approach every aspect of my life.
Before we dive in, we need to thank each and every one of you. The comments, the messages, the stories of transformation you've been sharing. They fuel our mission in ways words can't capture.
Seeing people in our community go from "I can't" to "watch me," that's why we do this. And today's episode is our gift back to you for being such an incredible community.
Now, if you're new here, you're about to get the ultimate crash course in SEAL mindset. And if you've been with us since episode 1, you're about to discover the missing piece that makes everything we've taught click into place.
David, what's fascinating is that this final secret isn't complicated. In fact, it's deceptively simple, but most people miss it because they're so focused on the techniques that they overlook the foundation.
Exactly. It's like having all the right ingredients for a masterpiece recipe, but missing the fundamental cooking technique that brings it all together. Today, we're serving you that master technique. Here's the secret they save for last. True transformation happens at the identity level, not the action level. SEALs don't just do hard things, they become hard people. They don't just practice discipline, they become disciplined individuals.
And this isn't just philosophical, it's neurological. When you shift your identity, you're literally rewiring your brain's self-concept. Research shows that people who adopt an "I am" mindset versus an "I should" mindset are 5x more likely to maintain new behaviors.
Let me make this concrete. Most people say, I should wake up early. The identity-shifted person says, I am an early riser. Most people say, I need to work out. The transformed individual says, I am someone who values physical fitness.
And this changes the entire game. When your actions flow from identity rather than obligation, willpower becomes almost irrelevant. You're not forcing yourself to do hard things, you're simply expressing who you are.
Now, let's break down exactly how to engineer this identity shift. It's a 3-phase process that SEALs use intentionally.
Phase 1, decision and declaration. This is where you consciously decide who you want to become, not what you want to do, who you want to be, and you declare it to yourself and others.
Phase 2, evidence collection. You start gathering proof of your new identity through small, consistent actions. Each action isn't just a task, it's evidence that reinforces your new self-concept.
Phase 3, integration and automation. This is where the new identity becomes automatic. Your behaviors flow naturally from who you believe yourself to be. This is where true transformation becomes permanent.
All right, let's do something special. We're going to rapid fire through every major principle from our entire series and show how identity shift makes each one stick.
The 40% rule. Most people, I need to push harder. Identity approach, I am someone who knows my mind lies about limits.
Pain alchemy. Most people, I have to endure this pain. Identity approach, I am someone who transforms suffering into strength.
Accountability mirror. Most people, I should face my truths. Identity approach, I am someone who values radical self-honesty.
Mind callousing. Most people, I need to get comfortable with discomfort. Identity approach, I am someone who grows through challenge.
Ritual stacking. Most people, I have to build better habits. Identity approach, I am someone who operates with systematic discipline.
Iman, what's fascinating is how identity acts as the operating system for all these principles. Without it, they're just techniques. With it, they become expressions of who you are.
Absolutely, and I've experienced this personally. When I shifted from I'm trying to be disciplined to I am a disciplined person, everything changed. The resistance vanished, the procrastination disappeared.
And this is why most personal development fails. People focus on what to do without addressing who they're being. They have the map, but not the vehicle to travel the territory.
What's been incredible is watching our community make this shift. The stories we're seeing, people going from chronic procrastinators to proactive creators. That's identity transformation in action.
Now we want to turn this over to you, our Thrive Path family. This has been an incredible journey, and your voice matters in shaping what comes next.
So here's our question. Looking back at all 4 episodes, what single insight has impacted you most deeply? Was it understanding your true capacity? Learning to transform pain? Building better systems? We want to know.
Your stories don't just inspire us, they create a ripple effect that inspires others in our community. Every comment, every shared experience adds to our collective growth.
If this series has added value to your life, we have a simple but meaningful request. Subscribe to Thrive Path Podcast on your preferred platform.
Every subscription tells us what content serves you best. It helps us create more of what transforms lives. Whether you're on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube, taking that moment to subscribe makes a real difference.
And we're already brewing some incredible new series. We're diving into advanced mindset techniques, exploring cutting-edge performance psychology, and bringing you conversations that will challenge and inspire you.
From the depths of our hearts, thank you. Thank you for your trust, your engagement, your courage in doing the work. Watching this community grow and transform has been the honor of our lives.
Remember what we've discovered together. You are capable of far more than you've been led to believe. Your potential isn't fixed, it's waiting to be unleashed. And transformation isn't a destination, it's who you become along the journey.
Stay strong, keep growing, and know that we're here with you every step of the way. This is David and Iman signing off from Thrive Path Podcast. Until next time.